Students, welcome to your English grammar class. In my previous session, I started with this chapter of future tense, and today we will be continuing with future perfect continuous tense. Okay, what is future perfect continuous tense and where is it used? It is used to express an action which began before a definite movement in the future and is in progress even at that moment. Okay, so if it's something which began in the future and it is still in progress, like for example, by next month we will have been living in this house uh, for 2 years. When you come, the cricket match will have been going on. When there is no reference of any point of time or period of time, we use future continuous tense. What is the sentence structure for it? Subjects plus will, shall plus have been plus verb in the first form plus ing form, have been plus ing form of the verb and other words. Okay, first we'll be looking at the sentence structure for an affirmative sentence. What is the sentence structure for an affirmative sentence? Subject plus will, shall plus have been plus verb in the fourth form and other words. And we use I, with I and we use shall, and with you, he, she and they we use will. See exercise P. Fill in the blanks with the future perfect continuous tense of the verbs given in the brackets. First one, the children dash draw pictures for 2 periods. Okay, so here what we have to do, which is the subject in this sentence? The children, which is the subject. What do you need to do? We need to put will. We will only use shall with I and we. So here the subject is the children, so we'll be using will. Then have been compulsory we have to put, and this is the verb given over here, draw, so we will be changing it into the fourth form, making it into drawing. So see the second one, he dash play the game of chess for 2 hours. So he will have been playing. He is subject, will, with he we use will, so we'll be putting will. Have been playing, so have been compulsorily we need to put, and playing is the fourth form of the word play, the game of the chess for 2 hours. The remaining ones you can try doing on your own. Moving on to the next topic, negative sentence structure. In negative sentence structure, everything remains the same, but before have been we just need to add not. So subject plus will, shall plus not plus have been plus ing form of the verb and other words. See this, the patients will have been waiting for the doctor since 8 o'clock. So here patients is the subject, will is the helping verb that is used. Have, before have been, what we need to add? Not. Will not have been waiting for the doctor since 8 o'clock. See the second one, you will have been writing the essay for 4 hours. So again, you is the subject, will is the helping verb. With you we use will, so will is the helping verb. With before have been, what do we need to put? Not. You will not have been writing the essay for 4 hours. The remaining 4 you can do on your own. Moving on to interrogative sentence structure, yes no type. Yes no type sentence structure, so definitely the helping verb comes first, followed by the subject plus have been plus fourth form of the verb and other words. See this, change the following into interrogative sentence. Rinky will have been traveling the whole day starting from 8 a.m. So what do you, Rinky is the subject over here, will is the helping verb which is used over here, have been compulsorily we need to put because we are changing into continuous tense. Okay, and traveling is the fourth form of the verb. So will, what we will do, we will put will before the subject, that is Rinky. So will Rinky have been traveling the whole day starting from 8 a.m. and question mark. Okay, you can try doing the remaining 4 on your own. Moving on to interrogative sentence WH type question. WH type question, so WH word first followed by will or shall. That this will or shall depends on the subject that is put over here. Here we is given, so we have used shall, then have been plus fourth form of the verb and other words. So see this, they will have been living in the cottage for 10 years. They will have been living in the cottage for 10 years. So where, then will, where, then helping verb will, they, which is the subject, have been living for 10 years and question mark. And now we have to change it into a yes no type question. So they will have been living in the cottage for 10 years. So they is the subject and will is the helping verb. So will they have been living in the cottage for 10 years. The remaining ones you can try doing on your own. Moving on to the last topic for today, that is interrogative negative sentence structure. So interrogative negative sentence structure is similar to the yes no type sentence structure, but only thing is that we need to add not between subject and have been. Okay, so will shall plus subject plus not plus have been plus verb in the fourth form and other words. Change the following into interrogative negative sentence. See the first one, they will have been living in Moscow for 8 years by April 2016. So here what we will do to make it negative, we will be using the contraction of will not, that is won't. Won't they have been living in Moscow for 8 years by April 2016 and question mark. The remaining ones you can try doing on your own. Okay, I hope it's clear. I have already shared the video for the explanation part of this chapter, so kindly view that as well. And if you all have any doubts, you all can contact me. Students, your task for today is to complete exercise P, exercise Q, exercise R, exercise S, and exercise T with exercise T. With this we finish our chapter, and if you all have any queries, you all can contact me. Thank you.